We are starting a project right now, an ADU 712 square feet. This project is in sunny San Diego, Bonita. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. We're doing a little bit of site work, have a slab pour on place where we are building the ADU. So we needed to demo everything. So right now we are in day 5. These last couple days we have been digging all the foundation. A very good layout of whatever we're gonna have. Right here is gonna be our full bathroom. Right there we have another half bathroom and the laundry and the kitchen island. Right there we're gonna be ready to start leveling this foundation and doing all our metals, rebar, etc. We have our first inspection pass. Inspector already passed our underground plumbing and electrical. We passed for the inspection. My guys right now are having the last touches. We're waiting for the truck right now. We're gonna pour slab, foundation slab. Today we are doing the last preparations for our inspection. We're doing the combination inspection that refers to framing, electrical, plumbing, and AC system. I'm trying for him to inspect the main line as well, the connection to the street. That's what you're seeing right there, the cold water coming from the main unit to our ADU, and you're seeing the gas line. I'm gonna show you a couple things that he's gonna be looking for on this inspection. So when the inspector comes, he wants to see that gauge pressurized. Right now we have it in 0 because we haven't put any air into it. That's what we're doing right now. And same thing with the gas. He wants to see that gauge pressurized. That's gonna be an indicator for him that we don't have any leaks on our line. Same thing with our waste. He's gonna check for our waste line to be water leak proof. Make sure that everything has water or all our vents. The vents need to be all the way to the roof, as you're seeing right here. As well, we're gonna fill our tub with water. Our electrical all the connections need to be done. We don't need the finish at this point. All the switches and outlets, all our connections need to be clean and inside the boxes like this. All our cables need to be strapped to the framing. The location of our lighting need to be in place already. Our AC system, as you can see right there, drainage and supply lines need to be in place. And the framing, hangers, everything need to be ready for him today. Yesterday I was showing you how we are venting this roof right here in Bonita. It's a system that we need to vent through the eaves and the ridge. So today I'm gonna show you how we're venting through the ridge. So we're making holes every day right here on top of our roof on the ridge, and we're installing those Vulcan vents. In this particular project we're using Vulcan brand. This is because we have a project in a zone that is fire hazard. inspection today. We have to retrofit those anchor bolts to our bottom plate, to our foundation. The code requirement is gonna be 7 inches deep on our foundation. We have right there a 12-inch 5/8 threaded screw and or anchor, and we have the 3x3 plate, 1/4 inch, and our nut. At the end, you're gonna see something like this, something like the other anchor bolts. We have, I think, like 7 or 8 throughout the foundation that we're gonna retrofit today. I'm gonna show you the process. First, we need to drill the hole, then make sure that that hole is very clean, like no dust in it, so our epoxy glue can hold down as supposed to be. This is a special inspection. You have to call somebody that knows and is certified for this kind of inspection. So we're injecting right now the epoxy into the hole. Again, you have to go all the way in and inject it all the way to the bottom, and then start going up with the epoxy. So with this epoxy, is a very good tip to let it rest for a little while on the sun, because it can get very hard to, like you're seeing right now, he's struggling a little bit to squeeze it. So it's a good thing to leave it on the sun for a little bit.
It only needs to be 2/3 full.
So we're recycling a little bit of the epoxy. What's the waiting time so we can tie the knot?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yep.
So 24 hours?
Yep.
Perfect. All right, thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Have a great day.